If you need to make a lot of straps, then you can use your blue bias maker. The blue is meant for straps that are 2 inches wide, so you end up with a bias that is 1 inch, and that's exactly what we need. This way you do not scorch your hands. I think this is the best automatic way you can imagine. You need to check from time to time, but if that is the only thing you need to do, this works perfect. Whoop. That was too soon or too fast. The blue one is the largest one. You can find this in every sewing related shop, on Amazon, on Ali. I will link to a few that I'm sure that probably you have it already in the house. It's an old tool, it exists already a long time. And it's called bias maker. They normally come in a set of 4. The blue one is the largest. You do not need the other colors, but sometimes you will not need to make bias yourself, and then perhaps you will need bias that is less than 1 inch. Then you can use other colors. If you buy them just one color, you will pay a lot more than with a set. But why buy a set if you will never use them? I'm making a long shoulder strap, and this is my preferred way. I do not like the fold, unfold, fold, fold, fold way. I have no idea how else to say it, but if you need a strap that is 1 inch, then you start with a strap that is 4 inch. I don't like that. The moment I change to this method, I've never gone back. This method has a lot of pros. You can use 2 colors. You will have a more neater finish at the ends. The ends are finished. You have no raw edges on the ends. Both sides of the straps look the same. It's not that one is just a big fold and the other one is open. And this method is also very easy to attach a strap glider, a strap adjuster, a tri-glide. You can see me making one in one of the other videos, adjustable shoulder strap. I'm also explaining that in the cottonwood pattern, in the Jody, and I think in my next patterns I will also explaining that. almost at the end, and then I will start again, because for most people it's the starting that is the most difficult. So, how do you start? You can start by cutting this in a diagonal, but you do not have to. Just push everything inside here, and then you will see the back side of your fabric through this little hole. Then take a pointy thing, for example a pin, and we are going to push our fabric further. And there is my fabric. From now on I can try to get it here. If not, said it would be easy, but it's possible. And now my fabric is here, and it's already the perfect fold. So from now on you just start ironing. See you next time.